Hello friends, welcome back to Cad Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New and take standard part in millimeter. Go to Create. Now take here 2D sketch. We'll start from the front plane. So we'll select here the XY plane. Take the circle command. From the center point, we are going to construct one circle of diameter 50. Zoom out, take the line command, and here we'll start from this point and make one profile here, one here, one line here, and here and here. Escape, go to vertical constraint and make it straight line. Now go to dimension, define this as 27. Okay. Now from center, define this as 36. Now here we will define this straight length. This will be 16 mm. Now here go to dimension and define this as 75 mm, and from center define this as 90 mm. Okay. Now go to tangent constraint, select this line, select the circle and escape. Now finish sketch. Now here we have two profiles, one this circular profile and one this base. We will extrude this circular profile first. Go to extrude, select the circular profile, here take symmetric and here we will take 75 mm. Okay, and press OK. Now go to extrude 1, take sketch 1. Turn on the visibility, take extrude once again, select this base profile, this time take 65 mm and here we will take symmetric, and you can see here 5 mm will be left this side and 5 mm this side. Okay. Now press OK. Select sketch 1, turn off the visibility. Now select this face, go to create sketch, take the arc command. Take 3-point arc, or here you can take center point arc. We'll select the center point here and make one arc covering the 90 degree. Here you can see the 90 degree written. Okay. Similarly from this center, make one more arc at 90 degree. Okay. Go to dimension, define the outer arc at 90 mm radius and the inner arc here will be 60 mm radius. Okay. Now here go to arc command once again and take 3-point arc. Select this point and make one arc here. Similarly select this point and select this point, make one arc here. Go to horizontal constraint, select this point and select the center. Now take vertical constraint, select the center and select this point. Now this is fully constrained. Finish sketch. Here take extrude. We'll take here asymmetric extrude. The first side will be 5. Okay. And the second side will be of 12 mm. Okay. So the inner side is 12 mm and this outer side is 5 mm. Now press OK. Now here go to home. Select this face once again. Go to create sketch. Here take the rectangle command, take 2-point rectangle. Here we will start from this till here, go to dimension, define this width as 30 mm and escape. Now here you can see only the two lines. Okay, it is rotating like this. Now go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Okay, now here go to sketch. Take here vertical constraint, select this point and select the center. Now this is fully constrained. Okay, escape. Now only movement will be left here. So to constrain this movement, go to coincident, select the center and select the center. Finish sketch, take extrude, rotate the profile. Here it is coming outside. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. You can see it is coming outside. I'll flip the direction, and here we'll take distance of 12 mm. So this will merge till this end point. Okay, press OK. Now here we have completed with the solid parts. Now we are going to make the cutouts. Go to part 3. Here we have completed this profile, and this profile. Now we are going to make these circular profiles and this circular profiles, and this will be the last. Go to part 2, select this face, go to create sketch. Here take the arc command, take center point arc, select this as center, and here select this point, and here select this point. Escape, select this arc, make it construction, go to circular profile and make a circle here of diameter 12. Okay, now here we want a pattern of this, so we'll take here circular pattern, select this circle, and for axis we will select this line. Okay, we have to select one by one. Go to circular pattern, select this, now click on axis and select this axis. Now here I want a count of 4. Now here you can see the angle has been selected 360 degree. We'll change it to 90 degree. Now I want to flip the direction, so I'll flip from here. Okay, and press OK. Now you can see the 4 circles over here. Okay, now take the circle command once again and make one circle over here of that 25 and escape. Select this profile, make it construction. Okay, now finish. We'll complete this all in one command. Go to 3D model, take here extrude, select all the profiles, here take cut, and here we'll take all. So this will be a through cut, and press OK. Okay, now here select this face, or the upper face you will select this upper face, go to create sketch, rotate, take the circle command. Here we will make 2 circles, here dia 16, and the second circle also of dia 16. Escape. Now go to dimension. From top the center will be at 25 mm, and from back side this will be at 25 mm. Okay, now go to horizontal constraint, select the center and select the center. Go to dimension, from side this will be at 25 mm. Okay, and escape. Now finish sketch, take extrude, select this and select this, take here cut, and here we will take all. So this will be a through cut now. Press OK. Okay, now we are left with the radius. So go to the fillet command. Here you will find the fillet command, and here take radius of 5 mm. Go to edge selection, select this edge, rotate, select this edge. Okay, now press OK. Okay, now we'll give the appearance. From here I'll take the aluminium finish. Okay, so I'll take here aluminium dark. So this will be the final output. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct these sort of models in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.